Hello my friends, here at Home Depot. Picked up something really nice and special, I guess in the sense of gift for family and friends and just for your own sake. If you don't have a green thumb or not much into gardening, this is an awesome opportunity to kind of get into it, or at least have your children or friends, whoever is interested, grow something useful. So there's a little kit that you can pick up. It comes with everything: jars, soil, and seeds. All you do is just plant it, water it, and enjoy. So mint, basil, cilantro, and tomato grow kit comes with the jar and the soil and seeds. And same thing here, lavender. Sorry for the noise. The mushroom grow kits, these are oyster mushrooms. You just need to spray some water on them, get some moisture, poke some holes in the bag, and let them grow right out of the box on your windowsill. So just a little warmth and moisture, and you have yourself a bunch of mushrooms. And I believe you can even possibly grow them more than once. I think the harvest is just a little less than the first time, but I've done this before, and it's a really awesome fun experiment, or a little project with kids, that's for sure. So yeah, visit your local Home Depot. They have it here, in most Home Depots and Lowe's and other nurseries, and you can get these online. Just Google them, and you'll be able to find it. If somebody needs any SKUs, right there. But other than that, you can just go online and find it. There's a scan code right there. I don't know if you can do this off the screen, but it's possible. You can give it a try. So there, and I don't know if there's any other ones that have that, but you can try going that route. So yeah, really cool. I've done this, works really good, and I'm gonna be doing this experiment or project here with the kids, and I'll kind of post progress and make additional videos on these here, and I guess you can see the contents that it has in here. So no green thumb, no problem. Plant seeds, place in light, add water, and harvest and cook. That's for the herbs. I mean, you can probably do additional seed that you can just plant instead, or add more jars to it. But the idea is, it's really nice to have as just an experiment, and be able to enjoy it. Definitely something worth spending money on as far as a gift, especially for those who would appreciate it, or don't have a yard, possibly live in an apartment, or where they can't plant something outside, or or don't have a greenhouse. So this is just something definitely interesting. There's the peppers. I'm sure these are, oh yeah, it's right there, organic chili peppers. These are spicy. I was about to say they look spicy, but yeah, the chili peppers. But you can grow, probably other seeds, if you wanted to, if you don't like what they sell as a kit, as far as the what you're growing, as far as different variety. Maybe you want peppers but not the spicy ones. You might grow something different. Just considering the size of the plant, though, you can buy something that's very vigorous and grows large. But anything that would grow in the size that you see, I guess, in relation to the jar, would be fine. The mushrooms are completely self-contained here. They just grow out the side. You have to cut right here. You can open this up. I think you got to poke a few holes, put some water, or let it soak in water, and then that's it. And they'll just grow. All the instructions are on there. And by the way, I just bought these, so I'm not like promoting or anything. I bought them myself, for myself, to just kind of, have something with the kids to do. But in general, I just wanted to share, just because they're very interesting and definitely something worthwhile doing. So yeah, go out there and pick some up and have a good time. My name is John, and grow to learn. So none of us really know much of growing except from experience. So to gain experience, you gotta do something. So in our case, we grow it and we learn, get wiser. We don't know, well, I just say I don't know much of anything. I'm just experimenting and sharing my experiments and my experience of my experiments. So yeah, happy growing and happy learning. My name is John, and see you on the next videos. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.